Do you want to know how much money you can make on YouTube? Maybe you've been dreaming about turning your passion into a full-time income, or perhaps you just want to earn a little extra cash on the side. Either way, understanding YouTube earnings is the first step toward achieving your goals. In this video, I will break down exactly how much YouTube pays per 1,000 views, and more importantly, how you can maximize your income as a content creator. Let's start with the basics. YouTube pays creators primarily through ads. These ads run on your videos, and YouTube shares a portion of the revenue with you. But here's the important thing: YouTube earnings won't be your only source of income. There are multiple ways to monetize your videos, and when you combine these methods, your earning potential can increase significantly. Before we dive into numbers, it's important to understand YouTube monetization. To start earning money from ads, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP. To qualify, your channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once approved, you can monetize your videos and start earning from ad revenue. But even with monetization, the amount you earn per 1,000 views can vary widely. So, how do we calculate YouTube earnings per 1,000 views? It starts with your asterisk view count. Multiply your total views by the ad payout rate. The payout rate is often measured in terms of CPM, which stands for cost per mil. That's the amount advertisers pay per 1,000 views. CPM rates can vary depending on factors like your niche, audience location, and engagement. For example, some niches like finance or technology often have higher CPMs because advertisers pay more to reach that audience. In contrast, entertainment or lifestyle content may have lower CPMs. On average, YouTube creators earn anywhere from 50 cents to $5 per 1,000 views. But remember, this is just a general estimate. Your CPM could be higher or lower depending on your content and audience. That's why it's important not to focus solely on views. Views are important, but targeting a specific audience and creating high-quality, engaging content can significantly increase your earnings. Now let's talk about additional revenue streams beyond ad revenue. One of the most powerful ways to earn on YouTube is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products in your videos and earning a commission for every sale made through your affiliate link. For example, if you create a tech review channel and recommend a laptop, you could include an affiliate link in your video description. Every time someone buys the laptop using your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. Affiliate marketing can sometimes surpass ad revenue, especially if your audience trusts your recommendations. Another way to boost your earnings is by selling digital products. Digital products are incredibly lucrative because they have low overhead and can be sold to anyone worldwide. Examples include online courses, ebooks, printables, or even membership content. For instance, if you run a fitness channel, you could create a workout guide or a meal plan and sell it directly to your viewers. A single sale could earn you $50 or more, which is far higher than what you would make from ad revenue on a few thousand views. Let's put this into perspective with an example. Imagine you have a niche channel that gets 10,000 views on a video. If your ad payout rate is $1 per 1,000 views, you would earn $10 from ads alone. Not bad for a single video, but let's add affiliate marketing. Suppose you promote a product in that video and make 2 sales at $50 each. That's an additional $100 in revenue, bringing your total earnings for that video to $110. And that's just the beginning. The more consistent your content, the more your videos compound in earnings over time. Consistency is key on YouTube. Regularly uploading engaging content helps increase your views, subscriber count, and ultimately, your revenue. YouTube rewards channels that keep audiences watching, so creating a content schedule and sticking to it can make a huge difference. Think about it this way: each video is like a mini asset. The longer it stays online and attracts views, the more money it can generate over time. Some creators earn more from older videos than from their newest uploads because of this compounding effect. Engagement also matters. YouTube doesn't just reward views, it rewards interaction. Comments, likes, shares, and watch time all play a role in how much your videos get promoted on the platform. The more people engage with your content, the more YouTube pushes it to new viewers. And more viewers often mean more revenue. Another important factor is your audience location. Advertisers pay more for viewers in certain countries. For example, viewers in the United States, Canada, and Australia often generate higher ad revenue than viewers in other regions. This is because advertisers are willing to pay more to reach audiences with higher purchasing power. So, if your content appeals to audiences in high-paying countries, your CPM can be significantly higher. It's also worth mentioning sponsorships as a revenue stream. Many brands are willing to pay creators directly to promote their products or services. Unlike affiliate marketing, sponsorship deals usually pay a flat fee regardless of sales. This can be a major source of income for channels that have a loyal and engaged audience. For smaller creators, even micro-sponsorships can bring in hundreds or thousands of dollars per video. So how do you maximize your YouTube earnings per 1,000 views? Here are some key tips. 1. Choose a profitable niche. Niches like finance, tech, health, and business tend to have higher CPMs. But don't pick a niche solely for money. Choose something you're passionate about, because passion keeps you motivated to create consistent content. 2. Optimize your content for engagement. Keep viewers watching longer, encourage comments, and include calls to action. This not only boosts ad revenue but also improves your channel's overall growth. 3. Diversify revenue streams. Combine ad revenue with affiliate marketing, digital products, and sponsorships. This way, your income isn't dependent on one source. 4. Promote your videos strategically. Share your videos on social media, email lists, or communities where your target audience hangs out. More views mean more potential revenue. 5. Create evergreen content. Videos that remain relevant for months or even years can continue generating revenue long after you post them. Tutorials, guides, and reviews are great examples. Now, let's talk about scaling. Once your channel starts growing, you can reinvest your earnings into improving your content. Better cameras, microphones, lighting, or editing software can make your videos more professional, attracting more viewers and higher-paying ads. Some creators even hire virtual assistants or editors to handle repetitive tasks, giving them more time to focus on creating content that drives revenue. Here's another example to illustrate potential earnings over time. Imagine you upload 10 videos per month, each getting 10,000 views, with a $1 CPM. That's $100 per month from ad revenue. Now, if you add affiliate marketing and make $50 per video in commissions, that's an additional $500 per month. Over a year, that adds up to $7,200. And that's just from 10 videos per month. You can scale it even more as your audience grows. It's also important to track your performance. YouTube provides analytics that show which videos generate the most revenue, where your audience is located, and how viewers interact with your content. Use this data to double down on what works and improve what doesn't. Over time, these small optimizations can have a huge impact on your earnings. Finally, don't forget about patience and persistence. YouTube is not a get-rich-quick platform. It takes time to build an audience and start earning significant income. But the effort is worth it. Many creators who started with small, niche channels are now earning full-time incomes because they stayed consistent, diversified their revenue, and focused on providing value to their audience. To summarize, YouTube's earning potential is vast. Start by understanding ad payouts, explore affiliate marketing, sell digital products, and consider sponsorships. Focus on creating consistent, engaging content, and track your analytics to see what works. Over time, your hard work can translate into substantial income, and possibly even a full-time career. So, what's next? If you're serious about making money on YouTube, start planning your content strategy today. Identify your niche, brainstorm ideas for videos, and consider multiple ways to monetize each video. Remember, every view counts, every engagement matters, and every video is a step closer to financial success. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money with your YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's start your journey to financial success together. Your audience is waiting, and the opportunities are endless.